What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme9 here, coming at you with another banger. We got another unboxing coming your way. We got a couple Supreme packages that we've been just waiting on for a while. We also finally got one of my hyped sneaker tops that I did get. Well, it's sort of hyped. I did get a Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. I did purchase it from online from Dick's Sporting Goods. I took a L on almost any other site, but that was the one site I was able to catch a W on, so I'm happy I got that. It is looking like it's selling for a little bit of guap. I can make a little bit of money off of that sell, but not too much, nothing too crazy. But it is still another hyped, pretty nice shoe, so I'll be unboxing that for you guys later in the video, so definitely make sure to stick through the whole video to watch that till the end. So I do have a couple Supreme packages as well. It's just two hats. It's just two hat cards that I was able to get. I did also catch a New Era box logo fitted cap on a restock, also with my Swiss Soul iOS bot, so I was happy I got that. I did open them already, unfortunately, so it was just so it would be a lot faster, you know. So the first package, this one's gonna have the 3 hats I got in my live cop. If you guys want to check out my live cop where I did cop these hats manually, I'll post that right here. So the first off, we have a, what's this one called? The logo striped Jaccord denim camp cap, and then we have it in the blue colorway. Showing you guys that. Nice big red box logo there. There's the back. I'm not going to unds this because I'm going to be hopefully reselling that in the future. I'm probably going to be holding all my caps for like next summer to see if they can climb in their price. But then I do also have this multi-pattern beanie in the black. I did earlier last season, I believe that was last season, I did get the multi-pattern kind of like had a waist bag. It was black, and that ended up doing better than the multicolor one. So I hopefully that'll be in this case with this, because there was a multicolor version of this, but right now the multicolor version is doing a little bit better than this one, unfortunately. But I will be probably putting this up for sale before Christmas, so I'm not going to be undsing that again. Looks like we just got 2 normal box logos in this order there. All right, now we have a logo striped Jaccord denim crusher. This one's going to be a medium large brown colorway, and it has the signature script whatever logo right there, and then it has the logo repeated all around in the black. And then I'm not going to unds this again because I don't want to mess up this part of it, and because I'm going to be reselling it in next summer or something like that. But from what I can tell, this does feel like some pretty high quality denim. Medium large usually always does a lot better than the smaller sizes for the crushers, so I'll be holding on to that until next summer. Yeah, so that's it for that one. Moving on, they shipped 1 hat in the same box. They shipped 3 hats. So, and then they, oh wow, okay, they look like they spent a lot more time wrapping this box logo cap here. All right, they did give me 2 more box logo stickers with that, and I did get the red colorway for the New Era world famous box logo cap. I will carefully unds this real quick here for you guys. I don't want to rip it too much because I am hopefully planning to resell this. Oh yep, I ripped it bad. Crap, I ripped it bad. Oh well. So I will show you guys this. Here is the back, world famous embroidered on right there. Another world famous logo, 1994, all embroidered right there, as you can tell. A nice big, this whole box logo looks like to be embroidered in, yep. So it's a nice high quality, really nice high quality embroidered box logo. I did get this in the size 7 5/8, so not the worst size, but also not the best size. The best size is obviously going to be that biggest size, number 8. I did catch that size in the S logo from earlier this season, from I believe it was like week 1 or 2, something like that. But on the inside here, it does say Supreme right there. Come on, focus on this. And the New Era logo with the sizing right there. Then it has a different whatever tag right there. And it has the 59 sticker right there. So overall, this hat is I do definitely see this hat going for over $100 down from the line. Right now it's going just under $100, but I will definitely hold this on for next summer and sell that. Hopefully it will rise up in its price quite a bit, since it is a box logo and it is a pretty clean design. And it's just a nice red on red colorway there. Moving on, I will get to the sneaker. All right, we have the Jordan 14 Hyper Royal to unbox to show you guys. So here we go. This shoe is pretty hyped, I think, in my opinion, just because it's a nice, almost all white shoe with just a little bit of blue in it. But boom, here we go. Jordan 14 Hyper Royal. This is a very, very nice, clean shoe, in my opinion. There's two different types of like leathery kind of hanger. Right here is like a nice softer plush kind of leather, and then right here is like a smoother kind of like more hard leather type of here. And then right here in the back we have the Jordan logo with the 23, of course, on all Jordan 14s. That is very, very fire. And then right here we have the other Jordan logo right there, and the Ferrari kind of logo. More Jordan logos up here, branding up there on the top. I mean, this shoe is very, very, very nice. The quality is definitely very, very nice on this shoe. And I've heard that Jordan 14s are one of the more comfortable Jordans. I can tell that by the memory foam on the inside right here. That is very, very nice and soft. And then the bottom insole is nice and squishy. And the bottom right here we have the Jordan logo with the carbon fiber or whatever that is. And then the 14 in the Roman numeral right there. So this shoe is definitely very fire. I will probably sell this as soon as possible just because I don't have multiple of them. But if you got multiple of these, definitely hold on to these. These will definitely rise in the future. But for right now, I'm probably going to post this up and try to get this off as soon as possible since I just unboxed this here. So I will put this back in the box. And I did get this in size 13. I always buy stuff in my size just because 13s usually can still sell pretty well. I always buy the stuff in my size, so in case I decide to keep it, I can. So I don't know. That's just me. I don't go for certain sizes, or like base sizes, as people say. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you did, and definitely subscribe for more future content like this. That would be much, much appreciated, and help your boy out. And as always, guys, stay happy. Peace.